The AAAS Award for Science Diplomacy recognizes an individual or small group in the scientific, engineering, or foreign affairs communities for outstanding contributions to science diplomacy. This year, we honor Carlos A. Nobre, senior researcher at the Institute for Advanced Studies, University of São Paulo. Over more than 4 decades, Nobre, an Earth system scientist from Brazil, has worked tirelessly to translate his understanding of the climate and biological complexity of the Amazon to policymakers nationally and internationally. He's been closely involved in numerous global initiatives to incorporate scientific advice to combat climate change and protect biodiversity. He is best known for his studies on the risk of savannization of the Amazon forest due to deforestation and climate change. No one has sounded the alarm louder on Amazon deforestation than Nobre, through his media appearances and writing in science and mainstream publications. He's been a strong voice emphasizing the role of indigenous peoples in protecting planetary and human health. And he's been a pioneer in the creation and implementation of important scientific experiments in the Amazon. Nobre's passion for the Amazon began as a teenager, and he moved to the region in 1975 following his undergraduate education. He joined the Brazilian Institute for Space Research in 1983, where he remained until 2012. As a member of the International Panel on Climate Change, he shares the 2007 Nobel Peace Prize awarded to its members for their efforts to disseminate greater knowledge about human-driven climate change. In 2013, he was appointed as a member of the UN Secretary-General's Scientific Advisory Board for Global Sustainability. He is the chair of the Science Panel for the Amazon, established in September 2019 at the recommendation of more than 40 leading scientists from 8 Amazonian countries and global partners. Nobre is also the founder of Amazonia 4.0, a project to develop a standing forest bioeconomy for the Amazon. From 2011 to 2014, he served as the National Secretary for Research and Development Policies at the Brazilian Ministry of Science, Technology, and Innovation. He was an architect in the establishment of important research institutions in Brazil, including the Brazilian Center for Weather Prediction and Climate Studies and the National Center for Monitoring and Early Warning of Natural Disasters. And finally, for indigenous peoples, he has advocated for recognition of their contributions and created opportunities for indigenous knowledge holders to work closely with scientists. Carlos A. Nobre, recipient of the 2021 AAAS Award for Science Diplomacy.